Oh no, oh no, oh no! Oh no! Oh dang! It really just happens out of nowhere sometimes. You know what I mean? That's what they call black ice. When you can't even see it and then all of a sudden you're just... I don't know what the word for that is, but you know what I mean. Swerving all over the joint. Oh. That's a prime example of why you don't cut someone off when it's snowy and icy. You know what I mean? I like totally hate the feeling of being late. Like it sucks. I'm late for everything, so all the time I'm just anxious because I'm always late. But like, there is nowhere important enough that you have to go where being late is worse than like what could have happened here. You know what I mean? You get what I'm saying. I'm not good at explaining stuff.
Blocked up in my mouth, I don't say it no good. So.
It's cold. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Ah! Oh no! What the heck? Oh gosh, I thought that they were gonna go into the trees, and then as we saw the trees, we were getting close. I was like, is this a horror movie? I was scared. I didn't want to go into the forest. I'm not gonna lie, I saw all those trees and got actually nervous. The forest is scary. Also, them rolling the car is also very scary. I don't like it. I hope that the other people stopped to help and make sure. But it seemed like they were okay. Like it was pretty slow, which is good. I hope they were wearing their seatbelt. Tuck you in, keep you safe.
Это номер, блядь.
Oh my god, that's the least fun kind of tobogganing I've ever seen in my life.
Пиздец. Жигура 26. Уже машин, блядь. 6-7 точно, блядь.
And there's just nothing you can do. There's just, those tires have zero traction. There's nothing you can do. It was like a couple weeks ago. Toronto had like a snowstorm. It was so snowy out. We couldn't even come to work because it was so crazy snowy everywhere. And then in front of my apartment, there was like people who were stuck in the snow. And then Taylor was looking out the window and he's like, do I go out there and help? And then as he said that, a bunch of other guys went out there with their shovels and stuff. And then we almost saw one of them get hit by a truck because it was like sliding and they didn't notice, but then they noticed at the last second and got out of the way. And then they were all laughing, being like, whoo-wee, we almost got hit by a truck. And then I was like, I'm glad that Taylor wasn't out there. That was a long story. Woo. I feel like they're going way too fast. I don't like it. And why is everyone in the forest? Ooh. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. See, these all like could have been way worse, and I'm so glad that they're all ending like relatively okay. Cause this is like the scariest thing. But I feel like these people were going way too fast for how snowy it is. And for how just like, it looks like the other side goes down, you know? They could go fall off. Oh no! Oh no! Oh, oh dang.
Oh sh.
Wow, the traffic circle betrays us again. Traffic circles are so stressful. I don't know why. Hopefully I'm not the only one, but I was genuinely very confused by like the car structure that's in the middle of this circle that's like off the ground. For a full second, my brain did not compute what was going on. Obviously I get it now, but I was like, whoa, that person really needs winter tires.
Damn. Oh!
No! Ugh, that sucks. This parking lot is like so empty. If they were just a couple feet ahead or behind from where they were, I feel like they would have been okay.
Пошел.
Твою мать! Дебил! Да надо выруливать!
Есть! Не, он нормально проедет, им главное не тормозить.
Oh gosh. So all of these cars slid and then smashed together, and this is just like all these people waiting and trying to figure out what to do? Is that what this is?
Hi, I'm Johnny Knoxville and this is car tobogganing.
А народ снимает, да?
Ну-ка газу давай вперед.
Это жесть.
Давай, газу.
Пиздец. Вот сейчас будет плохо. Сейчас вообще будет жестко.
Watch out. Oh my gosh. And then the last one that was just sliding there was a guy who was like walking by all the other cars that have already slid. Get out of the way. This is clearly where all of the cars are sliding to. Don't stand there. I was afraid he was gonna get hit. Oof. Not good. See, just slow down. Even if you don't like how fast the other person is going in front of you, you're gonna get there really late now. You know what I mean? You just gotta
slow down when it's icy.
turn on a good song or a good podcast or
Clown
something and
sightings,
just
the trend that's
vibe
terrifying
out,
people
you know,
across-
while paying very close attention to the road. Yikes, that is not good, not good. And I don't think that just continuing to spin the wheels is gonna do any good. You gotta get some winter tires. You gotta get a truck. That's what I'm starting to realize, because growing up in Saskatchewan, everyone has trucks there. Also, there's a lot of farmers, but anyways, everyone has trucks there. And then I moved to Toronto, and like I barely ever see a truck. When I see a truck, I'm like, that's out of place. And I realized why. It's because there's so much more snow in Saskatchewan. So much more. So everyone can drive their little cars like this in Toronto. A little car like that wouldn't last to January in Saskatchewan. You know what I mean? Oh my gosh. That car came out of nowhere. That's a good reminder for like all of us that like not only does the person who's out of control need to be paying attention, but thank goodness the person who had this dash cam was paying attention, because that really came out of nowhere. Oh. 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 Oh, it's like the one corner where it's just too slippery. Oh no, I'm nervous. Ugh. Oh. No! Oh, that's so stressful. Just watching. The people who live in like the house nearby probably were just taking videos of that all day. Oh gosh. Somebody get some salt out there. Alright guys, that's all the clips we have for today. I hope you're staying warm this cold winter, and if you're on the other side of the world and it's summer, I'm jealous. I've been your host today, Olivia Kozolowski, and I'll see you all next time. Bye. That's just the video.
12 minutes.
Wear your seatbelt. If you don't wear your seatbelt, what are you doing? Wear it. All the way. There are people, I was in an Uber the other day, and the guy had it buckled up, but then put this part, like, behind him. What's the point of the seatbelt then? Just wear the whole thing, you know what I mean? I'm not here to tell you what to do, but I do care about your safety. Wear your seatbelt. Is that what they're called? I don't know why I'm doing this. This is my example of the post. This thing. You know what I mean. It's the thing they hit. We didn't know what I'm talking about. I don't have to explain myself. Oh, I need to go have a nap. I'm tired.